When we come into a property, we want to be able to answer the question, how do we make sure that this property is as secure as possible? In our 21-point inspection, we go through your property and take a look at everything from the ground to the roof, from the bushes to the trees and everything in between on what it's going to take to secure your property. Additionally, we also take a look at some of the items that may cause water damage. And most importantly, as residents of Southern California, we're also concerned about earthquake damage. When our team comes out to perform the 21-point inspection, there's a good chance we're going to find something that represents a little bit of risk to you. In those instances, we will document what are the most important concerns first. We realize that not every homeowner has the budget to fix everything inside of their home right away. We want to show you what the insurance companies are going to be taking a look at when they determine how much risk is involved in insuring your property. This helps keep you insurable and can possibly reduce your insurance premiums. Call Allied Restoration today and we will schedule one of our experts to come out and assess your property and determine what areas of risk you may have.